Good afternoon. This is Mayor Turner. I was just wanting to get you caught up. I apologize. I got sick, and so I stayed home like I've been telling everyone else. So I'm back at it. Let me go ahead and go through the numbers. Amarillo is still having trouble. They're at 2,903 cases of COVID. Lubbock is at 674. Abilene is at 230. San Angelo is at 64. Wichita Falls is 84. Midland right now is at 125, and El Paso is at 2,461. Our confirmed cases right now are at 152. We have had some cases, the number has gone up, and it's mainly due to social gatherings. People getting together and not using social distancing, not using masks, not using things like that. So just want to say, make sure when you get together as a family, I know it's hard not to hug, not to stay close, not to get in close proximity to people, but it is something that we just really got to do right now. I know graduation parties and things like that are going to be going on. We just need to make sure that that we social distance while that's going on. The drive-through testing has closed. Basically, the phones quit ringing. So they are in the process of setting up a process for people to get testing if they need testing. So that will be coming up, and I will give you more information. On these, I'm going to start doing every Tuesday and Thursday. That's when they are going to be doing the press conferences that you see from Medical Center Hospital. So I'm going to be mirroring those schedule. Let me go ahead and get you caught up on the hospitals. Right now, Medical Center has 4 cases in there. They have no cases right now under an investigation, and they have 50 cases pending. So what we're doing is waiting on those 50 test results to come back. ORMC is up to 9, which is their highest level. Part of that, what that is they are getting some from other cities. Got one from Crane, got one from Big Springs. So we are bringing, some people are coming in from other areas coming in and doing things there. Currently, RMC has 15 patients that are waiting to get the results back. But other than that, things are going very well. There have been some discussions in the media, and I want to make sure I address this. The CDC came out and said it's not as likely as you're going to, by touching something like a counter or something, you're not going to get it probably as easily as if somebody coughs your way. The CDC is staying true to what they said all the time, saying that it's less likely to get something from touching something because you have to touch it, then put it in your mouth or rub your eye or something like that. So it's just as dangerous as it's always been. It's not quite as dangerous as somebody coughing in your area. And that's one of the reasons why we ask everyone to wear masks, because we want to make sure that none of the bubbles or none of the liquid, when somebody coughs, it doesn't go out and get on you. So talk a little bit about social gathering. That's the way it seems to be happening here in West Texas. We have tested all of the nursing home patients, 600 of them. There was one positive on a person that came into one of them. But all the patients themselves are negative, which is exactly what we want. So we want to, they are going to test them again in about 14 days just to make sure. But we're very glad that the people in the nursing home did not have COVID. There has been some talk. They asked about, the governor said we were going to have a peak in Texas at a certain point. They feel like we may not have a peak in West Texas. This is just one opinion. That West Texas may have just its ups and downs. So other than that, we're doing really well. Make sure you take it serious because the worst thing you can do is take it home to someone, maybe a grandmother, maybe a grandfather. And if you are sick and you take it home, then there's all kinds of other problems. Just want to say thank you. God bless each and every one of you. God bless Texas. God bless U.S. And I will see you next week on Monday. Actually, I made a mistake. It was actually Monday, Thursday is when they do the press conferences. So I will see you on Monday. Thank you.